you're watching this video, it's probably because you are over Nextdoor. And I get it. I've tried talking to them about making it better. But anyways, so if you are looking to gain employee access, add an admin, something of that nature, it's not going to work. And that's because Nextdoor is not as proficient as Facebook, as Google, as all these other platforms where you can simply add an admin. Now, at the time of recording this video, it's not an option. It would be amazing if I recorded this video, and this is old content, but I've been on the scene for a while and it just hasn't happened yet. So here's the workaround that you are likely going to need. In an ideal situation, you, the business owner or the main person of the business, is going to have a neighbor account. Attached to that neighbor account is going to be your business profile, and all of this is going to live under one email address. Now, this is an email that you all need to have access to, or an email that whoever does have access to it responds quickly. Another thing you can do is add a phone number. I say this because when it comes down to the two-factor authentication nightmare, they are going to send a code either to the email or to the phone number. It can only be one phone number ever. So I have one landscaping client that I work with, and I have my phone number attached to him, and I can't get into any other account using my phone number. So that's why you need to have a phone number and email that you all have access to, a neighbor account. And I say a neighbor account because the neighbor accounts is how you're going to be able to interact, engage with people in your community. At this time, again, I'd love for this to be old content, but at this time, you cannot engage with a neighbor as a business if they did not tag you. If they tag the business page can interact with that neighbor. But if they did not tag you, you can't just go out here free willy engaging with the community. But you can do that as a neighbor. That's why the neighbor page has so much leverage. So that is the workaround. If you have any questions about Nextdoor, feel free to reach out to me. I have a sister company called Nextdoor Advertising Agency.com, where we can manage your Nextdoor strategy starting from $250 a month to $900 a month. Does not include ad spend and everything in between. It's a subscription. People can come in, they can come out, seasonal, whatever it is that you want to do. We can help you manage Nextdoor because we know it's a pain in the butt. Book a call with me. You can talk to me directly, and hope to see you in the neighborhood.